The aim of this project is to introduce the concepts of the photochemistry and the huge application that we have, and explain how the molecules interact with light.
In this project we will go through many disciplines, but we will focus in spectroscopy, and we will also understand how a photochemical reactor works and can be used in this kind of chemical reaction.
A big challenge for the scientists is to find energy solutions to solve the climate change. A promising field is the artificial photosynthesis. So then we need people involved working on these topics in order to solve this problem for the humanity.
BIYSC program is great because I've made a lot of friends. It's not just, you don't just get to know the people of your project, but then there are lots of activities organized with the staff, and you get to know literally every person there, so you can make a lot of friends.
If you want to know how a research center works and you want to have fun learning science, then join us.
BIYSC!